Don't download Chip Invest app before watching this. If you're thinking about Chip Invest, you might assume it's just another easy investment app, but most people get this wrong. Chip Invest promises simple, automated investing, but there are hidden realities you need to know before handing over your money. Chip Invest links to your bank account and rounds up spare change to invest in it automatically. The convenience is appealing, but here's the catch: the portfolios are preset and limited. You can't pick individual stocks, niche sectors, or customize your risk level beyond a basic slider. For beginners, this is fine, but for more serious investors, it feels restrictive. Fees are another factor. While there's no trading fee for standard ITs, there's a subscription fee for premium features. Even at a few pounds per month, over years this can erode your returns. Many casual investors underestimate the long-term impact of seemingly small costs. Security is strong, with bank-level encryption and FCA regulation, but investing always carries risk. Automated investing cannot prevent losses during market downturns. If you're relying solely on Chip Invest, you must be aware of this. Customer support is largely automated, which can be frustrating if issues arise. Getting quick answers or resolving account problems isn't always straightforward. In conclusion, Chip Invest is best suited for absolute beginners who want a hands-off approach and simple, small-scale investing. It's convenient and low effort, but it isn't a substitute for a full-featured investing platform or financial advisor. Know what you're getting into: automated simplicity at the cost of flexibility and control. If you want truly personalized investment strategies, this app might not meet your needs.